Yeah, another video, another session for you guys to show you how I trade and how I make profit from binary option. Be careful, guys. Binary option is not always profitable. It's a risky trading method. If you don't have a good strategy, please avoid it. You will lose your money. I confirm you that. You need a good strategy. You need to be patient, and you need to practice a lot. In the description of this video, you will find the link to our binary strategy course, the strategy that we use all the time. Yeah, you can learn it from that course. Practice it. Be patient. Give it some time. Keep practicing. On demo account, of course, never use your real money if you're not 100% sure that you will win all your trades. You will reach that level, but you need to practice a lot. You need to practice, guys. Don't forget that. If you are not willing to practice and you want instant profit, like you want $1 million in a week or you want $1,000 in a day, that's not possible, guys. You will need to practice a lot. This is not a magical strategy. Please give it some time. Purchase the course, learn it, practice it, learn it, practice it, and hopefully you will make real profits. So as you can see, this is years of trading binary option. I've been trading like for 7 years, I guess. Yeah, I started the trading binary option 4 years ago. I developed my binary strategy also years ago. And yeah, I mastered it and I'm sharing it with you. So everybody will make profit from it. Everybody will win their deals, avoid losses. I don't guarantee you nothing. I don't guarantee you that you will make instant profit and become a successful trader in 1 day, or 2 days, a week, a month. I guarantee you that will provide you everything about the binary strategy, and you will need to practice it and master it yourself. Yeah. And good luck for our students. We already have a lot of students that are happy, making good profit. And yeah, good luck for the others.